Good morning. Yes, guys, the place is a mess. Good morning and welcome back to our channel. And yes, it's a mess. We're gonna clean up. It's snowing outside. Yes, we have a lot of snow coming down today.
Yeah.
Yeah, right, Malia? Malia is home with mommy today. Where are we going today, Malia?
Dentist.
We're going to the dentist. What are we going to do at the dentist?
You're going to say R2.
What am I going to say?
R2.
R2?
Yeah.
What is the dentist going to do?
Your tongue.
My tongue? What's it going to do with my tongue?
Your teeth.
What is going to do? Clean my teeth?
Yeah, clean your teeth.
Yes. All right. Malika! Hi, baby girl. Say good morning. Good morning. Say good morning. Yay! So they're home with me today. We're going to the dentist. I know I'm just going to take you guys with us today. See what's happening.
We're going to dentist today.
Yes, we're going to the dentist today. And yes, guys, we're pulling out our Christmas tree.
Christmas tree.
Yes.
Okay.
We're gonna put up the Christmas tree today. Alright, come put on shoes. Let's go. Come. You don't want the taxi to be waiting when we get here. Come. Snowshoes. There you go. Put in. We're going in the taxi, mommy.
We're going to taxi. We're going taxi.
No, leave the door.
We're going taxi.
Leave the door.
We're going taxi, mommy.
Alright, come. Push back your one up again. No, outside is cold. We're not able to cover your head. That one is too thin. We need to put on this one.
I don't like to put on hat.
You don't like to put on hat?
Yeah.
You can put on hat, mommy. Want to put on Mickey Mouse hat?
Yes.
Wait. We have to wait on the taxi to come. We're not going to stand outside in the cold. Who threw the gloves there? Come, Malika. Take it. Come. Up. MJ. What is it? Huh? MJ. Come on, man. Going into the taxi.
Even when my teardrops start to dry, even when the sun begins to shine again, I'm taking all the advice there is and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of love songs. Life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Looking back on how I used to be, I always thought that love was made for me. Oh well.
Ready?
Come closer. Come closer. Yeah, come closer. Thank you. Can you hold my hand? Can you hold my hand? Thank you. Come closer. Let me see your teeth. Look at that. Oh, wow. Can I see the other ones? Let me see all your other ones. Come closer. Your shit. Come closer. Can I see the back ones? There we go. Oh, look at your hands. Thank you. Can you hold my hand? Thank you. It's over there.
Love technology, so she's curious. She's gonna touch and she loves those stuff. Hello.
Nothing we can't fix. Gotta bite it.
Ah.
You wanna bite it? What do you like? One of these guys? Some
Mirror.
sunglasses? Look at all those teeth. Let me see. Tip up. Wow, look at all those teeth.
Good morning, guys. We are going on today's the next day, Wednesday, and we're going on the road. Malika have an appointment today for a speech, our first speech appointment. Yeah. We're going on the road today. Come, put on your jacket. Show them that you can put on your jacket. So show the subscribers that you can put on your jacket. Jacket. Come on, mommy. Jacket. Whoop, pull on your clothes. Put on your jacket. No? All right. Ooh, that wind chill. It's so cold out here. Woohoo. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out, reach out, reach out, reach out to the sky. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way.
Hey. So yes, guys, we're back from our appointment. We got something to eat, and now we're about to set up the Christmas tree. Hopefully she'll help me. Malika, no, Malaya is at day home, so that's why you don't see her in this part of the video. Yeah.
Found my way.
place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. I know man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
This is already the worst winter
Ever.
ever. Yes, my finger even losing gloves.
Oh shit.
That's all I have to say.
Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way.
Please, Malika. Malika. So, you're gonna check his heartbeat with the stethoscope? Remember, you're not gonna. Here you go. Check your heartbeat. You hear it? Okay.
Okay, you keep the monkey then. Okay, so we're gonna lay your blanket up. Can we wrap him first and then we can feed him, okay? We're gonna wrap him up first. Okay.
Yeah, good.
I knew you were in.
She's feeding first before she wraps.
Do you want a teddy to wrap?
You want to wrap Teddy, mommy?
There you go.
I don't know. Am I doing it right?
You wanna wrap?
Good job, mommy. Go, mommy. Good job.
Now let me go to the.
Is he all full now?
Yes. Wow, look at you. No, we don't want to suffocate the Teddy.